Okay, Comfort Inn in Ocean City, Maryland. This is the one at the high end, not near the boardwalk, but near the ocean. We just stayed here for 3 nights and it is absolutely gorgeous. I want to just do a little quick tour of the hotel. It has 5 floors. We're on the 5th floor here and this is our view. Look how gorgeous that is. That is the bay. Down here is the pool and the sun deck. I'll show you that. But let me tell you, I do not have a lot of money. And whenever I was picking hotels, I was like, I want a chain, because sometimes when you don't have a chain, it can be hit or miss. So I wanted a chain, but I needed something reasonably priced, but something that was really still nice, you know. And this is the best. First, the staff here is amazing. Every single person I encountered was very, very nice. That's actually a big deal. So here's our view. This is our room, just 2 standard double bed, non-smoking. You got the air conditioning. You got the little table. We got the light, the chair, the bed, little dresser, phone, alarm clock, another light, another double bed. And these beds, pretty comfy. Pretty comfy. You got the dresser, you got the TV, got the closet. The closet, of course, has an iron and an ironing board. And also, let me tell you, we're almost about to check out. When you check out, please clean the hotel room. No, you don't have to make the bed. You don't have to wipe the...
You forgot something?
I know, hold on. You don't have to wipe the surfaces down, but don't leave trash everywhere. And these people deserve respect.
And we also have a little corner.
Oh, yes. So we had a refrigerator. Has a mini freezer in there. You got your coffee maker. Now, does every room look like this? I don't know, but this is what our room looked like. Got your coffee maker, ice bucket, microwave.
You want to see the little space? It's right there beside our bed.
Oh, little space. And we have a big body length mirror. We got our luggage rack. We got our bathroom. See, I gathered up all the trash. And also, please, don't leave your wet towels on the floor. Put your wet towels in there. Housekeepers do a lot of hard work, and they don't get the respect they deserve. I'm gonna throw these away. I dumped out all of our half-full cans, dumped them out. You got your Kleenexes. And it was pretty nice. This is pretty nice. Of course, here is the door, and I'm gonna show you some of the rest of the hotel. But yeah, pretty basic standard room, nothing fancy, but for my family, it was awesome. Hey guys, so here's the hotel. I'm just walking to the car. Look how gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I'll show you up there. They have little palm trees. But yeah, whenever you're checking out of a hotel, just tell them, hey, I'm checking out. Alright guys, so we're going to do a little tour of the outside. There's a Denny's literally connected to this hotel.
Yeah, and there was a hallway, then we went straight in, then we hurried up and went out.
Yeah, show them. Okay. There's rooms down there. There's a pool over here. Look at this. Pool and sun deck on the first floor. Go ahead, we're gonna walk through. Come on, we're gonna walk through. You come in with me? We're gonna walk through, honey. Hot tub is nice. Alright, I didn't want to make it too obvious. Go. Yeah, washer dryer comes in handy, really does. Another bathroom.
It's woman's.
All right, where's the...
Oh.
Look, guys, that's literally Denny's. You just walk right through. Fitness room.
Hi, come in.
We already turned in our key, so we can't go in. But look, a little fitness room with a TV. And the floors, I mean, they're all standard floors. There's 5 floors. I don't think that's an emergency exit, but I'm not gonna go out it. I'm scared of an alarm. But as you can see, I just showed you the main parts. This hotel does not offer complimentary breakfast, but there's a Denny's right there. And you're in Ocean City, Maryland. There's a million places to eat. Yeah. And oh, they do have a little store. I'm trying not to make it obvious I'm filming. They even have little meeting rooms. You can't see in there. Another little one. This is cute. Okay, come on. Come on. Look how close we are to the beach. Okay, we're gonna go a little walk around. Come on. Alright guys, I hope that was helpful. I didn't go on the floors. Like I said, there's 5 floors. It's just a standard hallway with room doors. But I'm going to take you on a little walk real quick. I know that wasn't the perfect filming because I'm not a vlogger. Me and my little one just kind of do videos. But I'll tell you, I give vloggers a lot of credit because you're like, oh, you know, hold the camera to your face. I'm not even doing that. I'm just doing point of view. And I'm like holding the camera down because I'm all... Oh, I don't want them to say anything. Not that it matters. I could. I guess I'm just, I don't know. Alright guys, look, we did not take advantage of this because I have an 11-month-old, but look at the cinemas. Literally, did you see how I walk? This is so cute. Luxury reclining seats. Okay, now let's show them down here. Okay, now we can do a little bit of talking. You can talk too. Did you love our vacation? Do you want to go back to the car? Alright guys, little one doesn't want to walk, but I just wanted to show you. So you see, here's the hotel. Here is the cinemas. And literally this building right here at the end, right there, obviously you can walk to it, that's Rite Aid. That comes in handy whenever you have a little one and you need to buy them a bottle brush, or you forgot formula, or you forgot diapers or bottle soap. So I thought that was really convenient. And look at the palm trees. Look how cute. Alright guys, well that's the end of this video. The main reason I wanted to do a video like this is because when I was younger, when I went on vacation with my parents and my siblings, I was always so excited about the hotel for some reason, and I always looked at the pictures and the brochures and everything because back then they didn't have the internet. And then once the internet came out, you can see pictures of the hotel, and sometimes they have like this little picture tour. But a lot of hotels don't have like video tours from the point of view of an actual guest. And let me tell you, hotels will never put bad pictures of their properties online. That is a huge tip. And sometimes you don't see pictures on the inside, you just kind of see outside pictures. And sometimes when you see inside pictures, again, they're never going to put a bad picture. They're always going to look good no matter what. So I just wanted to show this hotel because is it the most fancy and luxurious hotel? No, but it was awesome. It was clean. They were friendly, and that is such a big deal because you don't always have great customer service nowadays. And everybody I encountered was extremely nice, helpful. Even the housekeepers, like, hey, can we have some extra towels? And she just was right there giving us extra towels. Give her the old towels. Like, anyways, I just really give it a thumbs up, especially for my family that's on a budget and we wanted something near the beach. It didn't actually have to be oceanfront, even though it was super close. So anyways, like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, and have you ever stayed here? And if not, where do you stay when you go to Ocean City? Comment down below for people that are searching where to stay. Oh, and we stayed in peak season, right? And it was pretty affordable. If it's affordable for me, it's probably affordable for you too. So thanks for watching, guys.